Nice one, guys. Simple, but also delicious. Alright, so we're gonna make a lovely drink today. Now, this is some baby pear. Now what I'm going to do is remove the skin. Alright. I'm gonna show you can make yourself a lovely, healthy drink at home early in the morning for breakfast. Alright, guys? So what you want to do, just cut them and put them into your blender like this. Alright. These are delicious. I got half of a lemon, or you can use lime. Got a piece of a ginger, which I want to use in it. Got this coming really under the ginger. And that's organic ginger. Let's put it straight inside of it. Nice one. Okay. So what you can do, you can just make this for breakfast. And I'm gonna be using some chusser seed in it. I'm gonna put a large tablespoon. I think that is enough for it. And I'm gonna put a little bit of water. So what I would do is, I got another one, which I can also put inside of it. These are some leftover pear I have, and I want to make them for my breakfast. Instead of you put them in the bin, you just make something lovely with it. Put a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Nice one. Teaspoon of honey. Cover. And I'm gonna blend for about 2 to 3 seconds. Nice one. Look at that. See? That is just lovely. Just pour it inside of your cup like that. Now what you want to do? Let's have this for breakfast in the morning. But the thing is, look at that. So lovely, super natural and nice. Let's taste it. Perfect. That is perfect. As you can see for yourself, That is just amazing. Lovely, fantastic, nice drink, and 100% you guys definitely will love this. All right, as you can see for yourself, guys, it is just perfect and also delicious. All right, stay tuned, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.